Welcome to Belmont Machinery Company. Today we'll be doing a demonstration of this 15-inch by 30-inch centers LEBLOND Toolroom lathe. That's a model Regal servo shift. You've got a 3-jaw chuck, hard ways, inch and metric threading, steady rest. It's in very nice condition. There's your serial number, 9C. Two-inch hole through the spindle. There's your control panel. Machine also has a 4-jaw chuck and a collet chuck, thread dial. And we're gonna run her for you. So this is 494 RPM. Feed the carriage towards the chuck. Reversal. Feed your cross slide in. RPM. That concludes our demonstration. Thanks for watching our video.